Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a mid-autumn festival cartoon style animation using just your phone. It's super easy, completely free and perfect if you want to make something fun for this season. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need the app called Face. If you don't have it yet, simply open your Play Store and search for Face and then download it. And then once installed, just go ahead and open the app. And you can quickly sign up or just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface offers a free package which give you a weekly credits. That means you can generate a limited number of images or video every day. And it's without paying anything. And okay, after you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to home screen like this. And then from here, just tap on AI filter, and then on the new arrival, just tap on it, and then just search for the options called Mid Autumn Festival. This one, just tap on it. This filter is designed to turn from your photo into a festival cartoon styles. Now just choose your photo. You can choose a selfie, a group photo, or even a picture of your pet. It all works. And once you're done selecting the photo, just tap on animate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your photo will be transformed into a mid-autumn festival cartoon like this. And honestly, it's so cute. Okay, there you go. That's how to turn any picture into a mid-autumn festival cartoon for free using Dreamfist. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.